Hi everyone, my name is Farah St. Flavin. I am the owner of Dymond Cdl Auto Club. We are a women-owned, black-owned driving school located on 2174 Nostrand Avenue. So the services that we offer is car instruction, and we also offer training for commercial driver's license Class B, which is the school bus. We're gonna resume doing Class A probably in the summertime. So if you have anybody that's interested in getting their tractor trailer license, you can let them know that we will resume that soon. As far as the training for the car packages, we offer the lessons. Each lesson is 45 minutes each. We also provide the car for the road test and the virtual 5 hours class. We do the virtual 5 hours class once a month. As far as the 5 hours class, you need to take the 5 hours class in order to obtain a certificate to schedule your road test. You cannot take the road test without the 5 hours class certificate. As far as the Class B training, we offer the lessons, which are an hour each, and we also provide the vehicle for the road test. We also do miscellaneous services here. We do school bus attendant training, we do taxes, we do real estate in this building. So if you have anybody that is interested in any of our other miscellaneous services, feel free to give them our information and we will accommodate them. As far as training, we don't discriminate. I don't just give lessons to females. If you have any males that are interested in learning how to drive, we are more than happy to teach them how to drive. Our goal here is just to make sure that everybody gets the basic knowledge and skills needed to pass their road test on the first try and not have to go to take the road test again. So if you are interested in our services and you are trying to fulfill your goals of getting your driver's license or even your commercial driver's license, feel free to contact us and we will be more than welcome to accommodate you. Have a great day.